Hello everybody. Today is Tuesday, December 5th. It's 4:08 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The futures markets just closed about 8 minutes ago. On my left are settlement trades for the E-mini S&P going off at 26.29 at 4:08 p.m., almost 4:09. As you can see here, this video is recorded in real time, never a market replay. Well, once again, it's the DAX on our charts, and we had plotting a number of DAX charts because I believe in it so strongly. This one is the 150 tick Heikin-Ashi chart. You can see our equity curve generally up except for this little one losing trade here. So it looks like we had 4 winners and 1 loser, and you can see the trades here, and this did 25.62. This previously had a $1,000 profit target, and I raised it higher as I saw there were many more swings. And so I'm going to say this obviously hit its goal and had positive slippage, and certainly had much more to go than that. But anyway, a goal of 2,500 on 2 contracts is exceptional. Okay, next up is the NASDAQ on a 987 tick BWT Heikin-Ashi chart, and this is trading 3 contracts, and we basically had 3 trades here. We had a winner, a loser, and then a winner here, and we did 12.95. Actually, there was a couple of more trades here. These were actually 3 more trades, 2 winners and a loser. So it looks like we had 5 or 6 winners and 2 losers, and did 12.95, and the profit goal for this is 1,300. So we hardly had any slippage here. Okay, next up is our E-mini S&P on our Super Renko 4 tick, and this is using a other time frame. We're actually using a lower chart for our filter, and in this case it's a 4 tick with a 2 tick Super Renko, and this had 2 excellent place trades. I mean, it doesn't get any better than this on the E-mini S&P, a long and a reversal back to back. This kind of trading is almost impossible to do trading manually. You just spend your what I call emotional currency when you try to trade in both directions, a move of this size, and holding the trade for 2 or 3 hours in a swing like this. To do this, pull this off and reverse immediately on the same trade would be really difficult for any trader to pull off. Only an auto trader can do this, unless you really know what you're doing and you have mad skills. So this is a pretty impressive chart. This hit its goal of 750 and had a tick of slippage. Okay, here's the E-mini S&P on just a regular 4 range chart, and our higher time frame filter on this is also a BWT Super Renko 2, and this had different trades. There was a loser here, kind of similar here to the other chart, but it is slightly different, and this also did 737.50. Okay, the E-mini S&P on a Super Renko 6 tick did 750. It hit its goal with no slippage, and we had 4 trades, 2 very small losers, a really nice winner here, and a decent winner here, and that brought us to our goal of 750 on the mark. Remember, we enter a market order when our goal is hit, so we did pretty good by not getting slipped right here. Okay, the Dow on the 500 BWT Heikin-Ashi chart had 3 trades, 2 short trade winners and 1 small loser right here, and this did 580 for the day. This is trading only 2 contracts. The DAX on the Super Renko 10 tick with the line break logic did 387.50 for the day. However, it started out here. Here's our equity early on, and we had an equity high of $2,400 and our target is 3,500. So we had an equity high of 2,400, and then we took it on the chin with some sideways action here and gave back most of our profits. But had we had a goal of say 2,000 or a little bit less, I was kind of stretching it at 3,500. So it seems to me $1,000 per contract on the DAX as a goal is right in there. You could do much more, but it seems like that's kind of a sweet spot. It's like you're going to hit it before it gives it back. So might reduce the target on this, but it's pretty impressive that we had an equity high of almost, say, $2,500 or so on this chart. Okay, forgot to show this a little bit earlier, but it's a pretty impressive chart. It's the crude oil on 150 BWT Heikin-Ashi tick chart, and this did hit its daily goal of 1,000. I believe it's 1,000. Yes, indeed it is, with no slippage. And so we started out with a little bit of a drawdown, drew down maybe $300, but came back with these stellar trades, especially this long right here, and ended up hitting our goal. So some really nice swings here. We have limited money management, it looks like. It actually has no money management. It's just going swing to swing. So very impressive and solid performance there. That's all for today's video. If you'd like to find out more, please visit our website or send us an email to systems@bluewavetrading.com. Thank you for watching today.